Good day everyone, so I am Arnold Olavario from Untitled 2B and I will be discussing the keyboarding. So our topic is about the getting to know your keyboard and keyboarding essentials. So goals and objectives: learn what keyboarding is and why it is a valuable skill, define and understand keyboarding interface, and acquire the essential skills to learning or improving your keyboarding skills. So what is keyboarding? It is a widely accepted standard on correct fingers placement when typing with a set of 8 keys designated as the home row. So it is the activity of typing information into a computer. So keyboarding is a hard skill to learn and takes time to develop correctly. So you need to be patient and you need more practice in order for you to be accomplish it, to pick it up. So okay. Keyboarding versus typing. So keyboarding is about the home key oriented, and keyboarding it is the encompasses typing keys, but also any other operation with a keyboard carried over at a computing instrument. So keyboarding is uses a mechanical keys. So it is somewhat difficult because we are not used to holding our hands in a static position on the home keys. However, over time it improves to our typing ability. So on the other hand, we have the typing. It is about the muscle memory oriented. So most people are familiar with typing. So sa typing, it is the act of writing wherein you are through a device. So individual character to form a text. So sometimes you cannot become a fast typist to the point where it is okay not to learn keyboarding, but your typing ability typically stays static over time. So keyboarding keys one. So we have the escape key. So just like for example, when you are doing a PPT, so you are in a full screen mode. So you need to escape it for you to be able to return to the home screen or of your desktop. So next is the tab. So use the indent paragraph. So when you are just like when you are encoding a document, so when it is very useful when you use tab for you to be able to indent it um, equally. So next is the caps lock. So makes all letter capital until you turn it off. Then we have the shift. So it has the secondary function of your computer keys. Then control, a modifier key performs special operation. Then we have also the Windows key. It open and close your Windows start menu. Then we have also the start. So it is a modifier. Then it performs special when pressed in conjunction with another keys or key. So we also have the space bar. It adds one blank space between objects. Then right click key. So just like for example when you are going to save something and you are opening the options, then you should click the right click, and also when you are going to highlight a text, you can use it. So enter, it start a new line or begins a process. Then backspace, we are familiar with it na. So we proceed to keyboard keys too. It is about it includes insert. Just like for example when you are in a document, then you are going to insert a picture or any objects over it, writing over it. So home, it moves your cursor to the front of your line of a text. So then we have the page up and page down. So when you are in open a certain document, you are going to scroll it up or scroll it down. Then we have the delete and numeric keypad. So yung numeric keypad po, it's similar siya sa style ng calculator po. Then we have the numlock. It enables and disables the numeric keypad. Then we have also the print screen. Sa print screen po, when just like for example when you are going to capture the entire of your screen, so you can use print screen just pressing the Windows key and the print screen. So next is the scroll lock. So temporarily stop the scrolling of the text. So then we have the pause or break. So the keyboard F key. So we have yung F keys po, they have varieties of different uses, or not all use depending on the OS or the open program. So we have the first one is the F1. So when you hit the key, a window opens in the program or application that you're using. The next is the F2. It allows you to rename a highlighted file icon folder. So dito po, it enables you to change the name of a certain folder or file. This is a function that has fallen into disuse because now you can right click the mouse or click the file name, and once it's selected, change the name. So F3, we have the it opens up the search feature. This key opens the search menu of the program currently being used. So next, it opens the or the F4, we have opens the toolbar or go to the menu so that you can write in a root or root to a folder. When combined with the Alt key, it will close the page or program you have opened. Then we have the most used F key on the keyboard, which is the F5. So yung F5 po, it refreshes a website of a web page. So it refreshes the content on the screen, whether it is on the internet or located inside a folder. We have the F6. It moves the cursor to the address bar in a most web browser. Then, so kapag naman po dito, like for example, when you are in a browser, this key allows you to write in the address line to change from one website to another. Then, it allows you to move through different elements of the browser and of website are on. So next po is the F7, opens up a spell check in Microsoft Office program. So wala naman siya masyadong specific function, but when you hit it, a pop-up window emerges to review spelling and grammar dun po sa Microsoft Office. Then yun po, F8 po, it enters the Windows startup menu when computer is booting up. Then this key has to assign an often used function. So selecting in a word, and when hit while the computer is starting up, it opens fail-safe mode. Then we have also the F9. So yung F9 po, it refreshes the document in Word, and sa Outlook po, it sends and receive emails po. Then sa PowerPoint naman po, it opens a PowerPoint presentation po. Then sa Excel po, when you use it, yung function niya po, it recalculate formulas. Or yes, F10, we have it activates the menu bar in open program and can also operate as the right click when combined with the shift key. So yun po, and F10 po activates full screen mode in all web browsers. Then sa F12 po, it opens the save as window. Doon po, sa F12 po, kapag click po natin siya, pwede po natin yung document i-save po. Doon po, kung anong gusto natin na format niya. So, yun po. Then, we have the keyboarding essentials. So, once you have mastered the fingering on the keyboard and consistently use the same finger for a letter, you automatically remember where the finger goes without conscious thought. So, through a sufficient repetition, or syempre magpa-practice tayo niyan para matuto tayo ng mas magaling tayo mag-encode. Then, the fingers switch automatically for individual keys when they are needed. So, you don't have to consciously think about where the fingers go. So, moreover, learning keyboard improves accuracy and can help with decoding and sight reading skills for children and adults with struggle with specific learning difficulties. So, yun po. Next po dito is the home keys. So, yun po, yung suitable na finger. Dapat po, yung finger po natin is tama po yung finger placement po natin. Then we have the top row keys and the bottom row keys. So, yun lamang po ang aking discussion po. And once again, good day everyone, and I hope you learned. Thank you po.